Hi, welcome to my report for my Center Stage Spring project. As you guys know, I'm on the Center Stage Marketing Board this semester, which has been really fun. So this week, I'll just go over a couple basics really quick. So every week, I'm in a meeting for an hour for the board and our directors, talking about Center Stage, how we can market better, and just how we can run the events better. So this past week, we had Richard Elliott come into town, which was really exciting. I got to write a little PR release for that, and I also was the shadow for Richard Elliott, which means I followed Mallory, our director, around and kind of saw what the director did and how we worked directly with the performers. I also gave the prayer at that performance, which was actually a little bit more nerve-wracking than I thought it would be, but it was fun to be up on stage and actually be introducing the performer with Mal. We also have been doing a lot for this upcoming performance, Patriots and Pioneers. It's Saturday on June 30th, and we've just been doing a lot to promote it. I did a design on InDesign to have our students post on their social media, the ones that are performing in that. I don't have that right now with me because it wasn't on my computer. The next week I'll be for sure to show that design to you guys. That was my idea and my design. Another thing that we've been doing to promote them is we made pins for Patriot and Pioneers, little cute flags, things like that, and we held a booth outside of the MC. We just stood there and did a wheel for prizes and handed out otter pops to try to get a lot of people to this performance because it should be a really good one. Another thing we're doing to market this one is some Instagram stories. Pioneer Pride. So this is some Instagram posts that I helped work on a little bit, which has been really fun. So we talked a little bit about social media marketing and the things we can do to promote that. So I'm really excited to go into these next 2 weeks for this performance.